Meanwhile, head coach of Sprintec Track Club, Maurice Wilson, is looking forward to the nation's athletes doing well next weekend at the World Indoor Championships in Poland. Denise Walters reports.
Maurice Wilson was pleased with a number of the performances at the quick meet held at GC Foster College over the weekend, and he thinks those athletes could actually go to Poland and do well. The performances include wild card Akeem Blake and reserve Kadrian Golson, who both clocked a win-aided 6.46 seconds in the men's 60-meter final. Blake, who was given the nod, broke the meet record, clocking 6.50 seconds to win his heat. Another standout performer was Janelle Smith, who clocked a personal best in meet record 7.04 seconds to win her heat in the women's equivalent. She also won the final.
And then we had 3 young men today running below 6.50 seconds, even though it was a plus 2.5 win. But they also ran fast in the preliminaries. And so this argues well for the future. Janelle Smith has been very consistent. It seems as if our talent pool is alive and well, and we're looking good for World Indoors.
Wilson is also looking forward to other athletes doing well outside of the sprints.
So I do expect, and in terms of the momentum with the 800 meter, for our guys to do well, and I'm expecting a medal out of the 800 meter. Well, the 400, the young men, especially those based in Jamaica, have been running extremely well, and those overseas. I think we should have a fairly good 4x4 male team. And so we see the emergence of new talent who have been there for a period of time, and I think that they're going to come true.
He says athletes locally will have one more meet, the GC Foster Classic, to be held this coming Saturday to fine-tune their preparation.
The meet will be beamed all over Europe and in America. Thanks to Adidas, thanks to QBC Global, who was able to secure the sponsorship for us. So we do expect a action-packed meet filled with fast times. And again, we're catering specifically to our seniors to give them the opportunity to showcase themselves before World Indoors.
Jamaica won 4 medals at the World Indoor Championships in Nanjing, China in 2025. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.